Everyone, my name is P.Han. Today I'm telling you about a story, Life in Rainforest. Chapter 9, Rainforest Problems, and Chapter 10, Save the Rainforest. Tropical rainforests are getting smaller. People are cut down rainforest trees to have a wood, then they sell them. On the furniture, doors and floors are made from rainforest wood. Some farmers also cut down the rainforest trees because they want to keep their cows on the land rainforest, or they can grow coffee or sugars, then they sell them. Trees are good for soil. When there are no trees, the soil isn't very good. When people grow new trees in the rainforest land, it can be die or grow more slowly. With no trees, rainforest people and animals no have homes. They can find food and they can live in the rainforest. How we can save the tropical rainforest? We can buy coffee, sugars, or bananas from farmers. Don't cut down the rainforest trees and grow them in the rainforest land. We can buy furniture with isn't made from rainforest wood. We can buy recycled paper because also papers are made from wood. We can teach other people about rainforest and the people that live there. We can teach people about rainforest rivers, plants. We can teach people about bicycle mammals, birds, mini bees. Rainforests are beautiful and important place. That's the rainforest. Thank you for listening and goodbye.